Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Durismus. I hope you guys are having fun building a full face with me. Today we're going to be testing out the Glowish Luminous Pressed Powder and the Glowish Soft Radiance Bronzing Powder. I have kind of swatched this product and I used this product once. I do want to go ahead and layer it and use it as an actual powder as it is intended to be. And then we're going to test out the Glowish bronzer as well. So I'm not wasting any time. We're going to dive right on in. I hope you are well. How are you doing? Have you decorated yet? Are you ready to decorate? Do you not decorate at all? So we are going to dive in. This does say it has a silky glow. It is buildable and blurs imperfections. I did get the shade 03 Light. As I said in my Sephora haul video with you guys, I love the packaging on this. I think it's super pretty. I think it's sleek. So that is the shade up close. And I will swatch it for you. It feels so nice, you guys. I'm not even gonna lie. And you can see that beautiful little sheen, that beautiful luminous quality that it has. And I'm gonna kind of spread it out so you can see. It almost, honestly, if you like a very, very subtle lit from within highlighter, I think you could use this as a highlighter. I'm just saying. So I'm going to go in. We are going to set the complexion. This is a LULU Tapered Face LR360. And I'm going to go in pretty heavily. That is something that I will say the first time that I tried and tested it out. I felt like it took me a while to kind of build up and get product onto my brush. But my dumbass thought it was a foundation. So maybe that's why. So I like to take my powders and kind of press them into the skin first. There is no scent. I don't smell anything at all. Oh, I'm going to do one side and get up. I think you can see it in the freaking camera. Oh, yeah. The day I tested this, you guys, I thought this was a foundation. You're welcome. So I was like, man, this is trash. This sucks. I don't like this at all. I'm not getting any product. But then, you know, I realized it wasn't a foundation, but I did build it up as a foundation and it was quite lovely. I'm just saying. Okay, I definitely am seeing blurring. 100%. That looks really good so far. Okay. I'm definitely seeing some blurring. It's giving me a mattifying property while also being luminous too, which is pretty cool. It feels quite soft going on. I don't feel like it feels thick or heavy or anything like that. And you guys see, I mean, I'm using quite a bit. I'm making sure that I load the product on so you guys can really see. Oh, wow. Okay, I like this, you guys. And y'all know I'm not always the powder fan, but that's lovely. I'm going to get up close. I do have on the Fenty Beauty Eavesdrop Blurring Skin Tint in shade 8, just for reference. So you can see this side. I'm actually seeing like a little bit of redness on this side still. And I'm definitely seeing a lot more pores kind of peeking through and showing. And then over here, it has diffused my skin. I can very visibly see the difference in the two sides. That looks really, really pretty. I'm going to go ahead and go out on a limb though, because of the amount of luminosity that I'm getting, and let you know this is probably not oily skin friendly. So for my oily skin beauties, you're probably going to want to pass on this one, unless you want to use it as a soft highlight. I'm thinking it would work beautifully as a highlighter. So we're going to go into the other side. That's beautiful. And it doesn't feel heavy or anything like that at all. Wow, I hope you guys can see the difference. Because in person, I absolutely see the difference. And again, if you're a less is more beauty like myself and you want to wear it as a foundation, try it as a foundation. So again, we're well loaded up. This reminds me, honestly, you guys, of the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder in the way that literally the second you start to apply it, everything gets blurred out, everything gets sheared out. It helps to diminish your pores. But this is a much glowier version of that. So if you are somebody like me and you already love the Charlotte Tilbury and you have drier skin, more textured skin, more mature skin, I'm gonna go out on a limb here and I'm gonna say I think you're gonna like this. That is so pretty. Okay, yeah, I really like this. I really, really like this. Well, color me happy, honey. I like that. I'm gonna go ahead and give that 5 yellow hearts. Unless it starts to break down very, very quickly. Of course, I'll pin a comment or update you guys on it. Unless it breaks down super quickly, I think it's a fantastic product. Next is the Glowish Soft Radiance Bronzing Powder. I did get shade 02 Medium. And I like how it has like this cute little window right here, so you can kind of look in it and you automatically can see the shade that you're looking at. I will say, I feel like the packaging is tiny. And of course, we're not going to use quite as much bronzer as we maybe would powder or foundations or things like that. But I think that is really, really small. I do like the component on it though. And again, that is 02 Medium. And I did swatch it, and I really, really like the texture and the consistency. As you can see, it is a marbled little finish. As you can see, it's marbled, and it has the slightest little bit of luminous quality to it. I'm going to go in with my, every single time that I do my makeup, brush for my bronzer. It is my Judy brush from the crayon case. We're going to go in, and okay, I feel like it's picking up okay. I was scared because of how it feels in the pan. It almost feels like the foundation. I was afraid that I wasn't going to get much product at one time. Okay, we've got a lot of product on there. Okay. Did I get the wrong shade? Okay, I'm confused. This is 02 Medium. Let me swatch it again. Yeah, I don't know if I got the wrong shade or if it's like this. I'm gonna pinch my brush. I'm gonna get a lot of product. I'm really confused, you guys. If this is medium, and right now in the wintertime, I'm typically like a light or the darkest spectrum of light going into medium. So if this is medium, I'm starting to slightly see something now. If this is medium, I'm a little disappointed, not gonna lie. I am gonna say what I can see, what little bits on the complexion, it does look nice. It has blended in well. I don't feel like it's emphasizing any texture or anything like that. It didn't pick up any product underneath it. It's just very light. I'm gonna look and see how many shades are in this, because if there's only like 3 or 4 shades in this, I don't feel like it's inclusive enough. I cannot speak to people with darker skin tones than myself. I feel like this would work for somebody with very light skin, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and go into this little brush here. It's an SL Miss Glam foundation brush. Much more kind of dense and firmly packed. I'm gonna try to go in with this. Again, I'm getting in there. I'm getting a lot of product, so you guys can, y'all see. I do like there's no kickback at all. And I'm gonna go take Alyssa's more approach just in case it does. Oh, okay. Definitely shows up a little bit better with this brush. So maybe that's it. You just have to maybe get through that top layer. I don't know, guys. If you've tried this, please update me and let me know. Because as it stands right now, I'm a little disappointed. I'm a little bummed. And y'all know I always use my Judy brush because I like a more soft, diffused bronzer. I'm not aiming to contour or add shadow. But I've never experienced that before, where I just went in and went in and went in and got like no product. So if you do try this, we've learned together, go in with a more firm brush. And I definitely see a difference now. Still, in my opinion, if it were summertime, this would not show up on me at all. And I'm not that dark, y'all. So, I don't know. I'm going to look up some reviews. Also, if you guys have tried this, please let me know. It is beautiful. What I am seeing and what is actually applying to the skin looks lovely. The shade itself is lovely too. It's not super overly warm. It doesn't look too red or orangey or anything like that. There's a lot of effort that went into just this little bit of coverage on this side. I'm going to go back into the Judy brush and pinch it just so that it doesn't look, you know, more chiseled here and not as chiseled here. I do love the finish. It is quite glowy. but not sweaty, not oily, not greasy looking. So the texture, I love. The actual shade, once I can see it on the complexion, I think is a beautiful shade. This is not medium. In my opinion, this is not medium. So I don't know how to feel, and I don't want to give you guys, a bad opinion. Because obviously when you come to watch a review or watch somebody use something, you're probably debating on that product. And right now I can't give you guys full thoughts because I'm not used to this consistency. It may be the way that this is made. I am going to read up on it, and I think I'm going to watch some reviews for myself. I can say that it does help to diffuse the skin. I do see that. I do love the beautiful luminous property that it has, and the shade is throwing me off a little bit as well. So I'm going to say right now that I'm even keel. I'm down the middle. I'm Switzerland. There are things that I like. There are things that I don't like. So yeah, I don't know how helpful this is going to be, y'all. It's probably a shit show, and I'm sorry. Thank you for joining me, though. Thank you for hanging out with me. I would love to hear your opinions on this. Yeah, I think if I personally went up one shade, I mean, even over here when I built it up just a little bit, I like a more rich, kind of full depth type of bronzer, as you guys know. I mean, I'm a bronzer hoe. I love them. I swear by them. I don't know. It's so pretty, and the tone itself is nice. I just had to really work to get anything. So I don't know. I don't know what's going on with that. I'm sorry, beauties. This is all I got for you. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.